everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to turn off the active status on TikTok. To do this, you have to make sure to update the app. If not, head over to your respective app store and on the search bar, type in TikTok. Make sure to update the app to the latest version if the update is available. After completely updating the app, click on the open button and log into your account. Once logged in, the interface will look something like this. Next, what you need is click on the initials at the bottom of the page. And when you go to the settings, you just need to tap on the menu bar at the top right hand side corner of your screen and go to settings and privacy. So when you go to the settings and privacy, then you have to go ahead and tap on privacy section over here, and then you have these active status, right? You just need to make sure to toggle the button. As you could see, mine is already turned off, so you want to make sure that it is gray, and that is how you could turn off the active status on TikTok. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.